Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, CeceliaOWorldChannel. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be showing you how you can add badge patches to your clothes. And the moral of this video is to help you to save money. And now, yay, it is school resumption time. I know a lot of parents will be trying to get school uniform for their kids. And I'll be showing you how you can actually save money on your kids' school uniform. And I'll be doing two things in my video today. The first thing I will be doing is I'll be showing you how you can save money, and I'll be showing you how you can remove badge patches from old uniform like this one. So the second thing I will be doing today is I will be adding badge patches onto the new uniform. Actually, I got this new uniform from Anton. I got this about $40. The only way for me to save money is to buy used uniform. These are all used uniform. I will be removing all these badge patches from this, and I will be using it on the uniform that I got from Amazon. By the way, I got this around $7.87 from Amazon. Why this new one with the badge patches cost me about $35 from the uniform store. So here are a couple of materials that I'll be using. I have the badge patches. I'll be using this ultra hold band. This is the adhesive, cloth adhesive that you want to use for your badge patch. I have my pencil, I have the iron, and now I will be removing this old badge patch from this old uniform. And I'll be putting this badge patch on the new uniform. And again, here are the things that I'll be using. I have the scissors, I have the pencil, I have the iron, I have the badge patches, and I'll be doing two types of uniforms for my two daughters because they go to different schools. So the first thing you want to do is to make the circumference where the badge patch is going to stay. And now you open the ultra hold adhesive glue tape, and you open that and you put this on the circumference. So this is what is there. It's like a tiny stretchy nylon, but it's actually an adhesive. Then you put it on the circumference, then you put your badge patch on the circumference, and you now iron it. The next thing you have to do, you can actually put another form of clothes on it because this iron needs to be very, very hot. And boom, this is done. If you want to see the full video, check out my YouTube channel. I have everything there. Love you. Bye for now. Don't you